Hey guys, if you're like me, you like shrimp. And right now I'm gonna show you a quick little preparation. It's a classic. We're gonna pair it up with some spinach. It's gonna be shrimp scampi with spinach. So get your paleo prawns prepared and we'll be back pretty promptly. All right guys, we're gonna go on the clock, see how quickly we can knock this out. Starting the timer now. Got a little saute pan over kind of medium-ish heat. I'm just gonna add some spinach to that. I'd say 3 large handfuls of spinach. And you can even get a little olive oil in there if you want. Quick drizzle, okay? While that's cooking down, I've got some prawns prepared, 3 and 4, 7 big boys. These are U15s, wild. Got them at Costco. And then we've got some tomatoes here. Just gonna cut these, just gonna have these. Boom, just like that. Check in over here, starting to wilt down. Grab my tongs, kind of stir this stuff. There we go, I'm happy with that. All right, we're just gonna go right back into that pan. Pan goes back on the heat. Add a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna salt and pepper the prawns. Get those in the pan. Salt and pepper on the top side, and some fresh garlic. We'll call it maybe a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half. So we're letting that cook. I'm just gonna kind of chiffonade up this cilantro. Traditionally you'd use parsley, but I'm more of a cilantro guy. Check back in over here, we're gonna turn these over. Garlic's toasting up, some lemon juice in there. And then we'll go with a little bit of white wine. Not that much. Boom, and then some butter. I'm gonna use some grass-fed butter here. You don't have to use this if you're dairy-free or just not in the mood. Maybe that much. Those 2 little knobbers. Boom, boom. How far are we in? We're 4:15 in. Let's see if we can pull this off in 5 minutes. Okay. Going with our cilantro, butter. And as soon as we add the butter, we want to be stirring the whole time, moving the pan. Butter melts, I'm gonna give one more pinch there. Let's transfer our spinach onto a platter. And look at that beauty. What I think we'll do is take our tomatoes, kind of lay them around the outside. Get our beautiful sauce. Right over the top, right down into the spinach. Boom. What do you think, guys? Making you hungry? That's pretty much it, you guys. Shrimp scampi, it's a classic. We use some butter. We know that's not paleo. I'm not too worried about it. Wild shrimp. Spinach is awesome for you. Fresh tomatoes, who's gonna argue that? So, you know, get out there and give this one a shot. As always, I'm just here doing what I can to help you guys keep it paleo.